Welcome to Furman University in Greenville, South Carolina. My name is Gabby, and today my friends and I are going to be taking you around campus. At Furman, students spend all 4 years living on campus, meaning that there are so many places to spend your time and, of course, get involved in your community. First up is the Trone Student Center, where you can study, watch a game on the big screen, or just simply hang out. On the top floor, you'll find our student organizations and the Heller Service Corps. It's also home to the Center for Engaged Learning and the Malone Center for Career Engagement. Whether you're preparing for an internship interview or planning your study away trip, the Trone Student Center houses resources that help you throughout your time here and life after college. On the bottom floor, you can shop for Furman gear at the Bell Tower Bookstore and Bistro, or grab a bite to eat at the Paladin Food Court in our on-campus restaurant, the Paladin.
Our most popular meal spot is the dining hall, or the DH as we like to call it. I'm Andrew, and if you're a foodie like me, you'll come to love the dining hall as one of your favorite spots on campus. There's a variety of options, like Mongolian style grill or some of the best chocolate chip cookies you've ever had. Sometimes our on-campus farm will provide the vegetables. This is one of the ways that Furman is committed to sustainability. This is Town Science Center, one of our main academic buildings here on campus. I'm a sustainability science major, so I spend a lot of time in these classrooms or in the labs doing research. Furman's small class sizes allow us to get to know our professors and engage with other students.
Speaking of small class sizes, the Roe Art Building is where I have most of my classes. I'm Alex, a studio art and politics and international affairs double major. At Furman, there are a ton of opportunities to experience hands-on learning, whether that's in the classroom like this one, performing in a theater production, interning at a local business, or getting involved in one of our 4 institutes. Furman's institutes provide students with real-world experience in social justice, sustainability, entrepreneurship and innovation, and community health. South Housing is where most of our first-year students live. It's also home to our Center for Interpersonal Connections, or the CIC for short. The CIC promotes thriving communities across campus, which helps foster a sense of belonging for every student.
Furman has 18 Division I teams, including basketball, soccer, cross country, and football, of course. I'm Trey, a football player. If you love sports, we have games on campus all year round. We love to see as many fans in the stands as possible.
This is the Physical Activity Center, as what most students call it, the PAC. I'm Jalen, and this is our on-campus gym. It has cardio machines, weights, an indoor pool, and we even offer weekly classes. I participate in intramural basketball, so I'm here pretty often. The PAC is just one of the many places on campus that represents Furman's commitment to students' overall well-being. If you prefer to get active outside, Furman has plenty of options. The path that I'm walking on right now is connected to the Swamp Rapid Trail, where you can run or bike from Furman to downtown Greenville and Travelers Rest.
The James B. Duke Library is the main library on campus. It has study rooms, access to all kinds of research and books, and student tutors for all subjects. It's always busy with students, whether they're grabbing coffee or a snack from the library cafe, studying in a quiet spot, or hanging out with friends on the front porch.
Come visit us in person, and we'll start your tour right here in front of the Hartness Admission Center. Go Dunes!